Hey everybody, Jamie from the Marine Doctors YouTube channel, and today I'm out camping. So I'm not out at the shop. It's a long weekend, so I'm still going to give you guys a video, but I'm just going to do it from out here. Okay, so the other day I had to remove a water separator filter from inside a boat, and through the years, obviously, oil filters as well. So I'll be honest, I often dread when I have to take water separator filters out. So those are the ones that look like oil filters. Anyway, what people tend to do is not really follow the directions on the filters themselves. So on oil filters, for example, they'll actually tell you, turn it so that it's lightly seated, and then maybe give it 3/4 of a turn, or a full turn, or turn and a half, or whatever. So the directions are right there so that you can actually get these things back out. And also, keep in mind, put a light film of oil on the O-ring as well, so that helps it spin in place and not tear out, as well as it should assist in taking it out. But here's a couple stories for you. The other day, my son at work, he comes up and says, "Dad, I need a hand here. I can't get this water separator filter out." So I go out there, and it happened to be a external mount on a Yamaha, and it was down inside the boat where you couldn't get your hands on it, but you could get the wrench on it. And we've got a special wrench that we can actually put a socket onto. So we put the socket on there and gave it a go with a flex bar. I think it was a 12-inch flex bar. Wouldn't move, wouldn't budge at all, nothing. So then I had to go inside and grab a 2-foot flex bar. So flex bar, so if you don't know, it's kind of looks like a ratchet, but it just doesn't have a ratcheting feature. It just hooks up to your socket. Anyway, it was 2 feet long, and I broke it loose with that. That's how tight these people had made that filter. So that's water separator filters. Oil filters, on the other hand, most times we can't get that flex bar onto, so we use a conventional oil filter remover tool. So that's the hand one with the rubber piece on the end. Anyway, there's times where I've had to crawl into people's boats right down inside, right by where the oil filter is mounted, put it in place, and push on it with my foot. That's how tight these people are making them. I don't understand that, if they just think that they're going to leak. Is that what they're thinking, or there's some kind of contest that they believe that they have to make that filter the tightest thing in the boat? They believe that maybe it has a torque spec. I don't know. Maybe what they think is the 3/4 is 3 or 4 turns instead of being 3/4 of a turn. I don't know. Maybe that's it. Anyway, what are your guys' thoughts on that? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And hey, thanks for joining me in my holiday.